Local news for Wednesday the 20th of March. The Commerce Commission has received a clearance application from Mainland Print Limited to acquire the heat and cold set web offset printing assets of Inkwise Limited. Mainland is a recently established joint venture company owned in equal shares by Blue Star Group Limited and Allied Press Limited. Blue Star provides a range of commercial printing services. The services are provided through its division called Webstar, which has printing operations in Auckland and Masterton. Carleton District Council has confirmed it will be embracing Te Reo Māori and working with Hurunui o Rangi Marae to implement bilingual signage throughout the district. An accommodation register of Wairarapa properties and experiences to benefit those affected by the atrocities in Christchurch has been launched. Already a number of offers of accommodation and experiences have come in, and anyone that can offer the victims or staff of the police, ambulance and hospital service any of these experiences or a breakaway are encouraged to email hereward@wise.net.nz. And congratulations to St Matthew's Girls Cricket who have won the CD finals in Palmerston North, and they'll be off to the Nationals at the end of the year.